Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add a background on CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do is open the CapCut application, and this is the look when you already on it. And now you just need to click a new project, or you can also choose the previous project that you have. So today I want to show you from the beginning, so let's do a new project. And now you just need to choose which a video or photos that you want to add the backgrounds to. For me, I want to do with the photos today, and now you can choose which photos that you want to remove or add the backgrounds to. For example, I want to do with this. Okay, and after that you just need to click add. And now before we add a background, we need to remove the background, the original background of this picture, right? So how to remove this background of the picture? You just need to click the clip until it is in active mode, and after that you just need to explore this bottom features here. You just need to slide into the left side until you find a cutout tools. This one. So you need to click a cutout, and then after that you just need to click a remove background. And now you just need to wait until the background of this picture is totally removed. And after you done, you just need to click done. And now to add a background for this picture, to add a new background, you just need to back into the first section of the features here, and then you just need to slide into the left side until you found canvas tools. Right here you just need to click a canvas, and then you just need to choose a background. If you have the background already on your device, you just need to click this button, and after that you just need to choose which background that you want to add into the video. Okay, so for example, I want to have this, and we can still adjusting. After you're done, you just need to click done, and now we still can adjusting the position of the object, the previous object. So I want to like do by pinch. So click the clip until it is in active mode, and then pinch by two finger together, and after that just go drag into these specific positions that you want to put. Okay, for example, like right here. Okay, so that's all the way how to add background on a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is got you so well, guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.